Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw XDC from Kraken to MetaMask in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your XDC tokens securely, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both a Kraken account and MetaMask wallet set up. If you haven't added the XDC network to MetaMask yet, that's step 1. Open your MetaMask app or extension, click on the network dropdown, and select Add Network. Enter the XDC details. Network name as XDC Network, RPC URL as https://rpc.anchor.com/xdc, single quote chain ID is 50, symbol as XDC, and block explorer URL as https://explorer.zinfin.network. Save that, and you're good to go. Next, grab your MetaMask wallet address. Just click on your account in MetaMask to copy it. It's that long string of letters and numbers. Keep it handy because you'll need it for Kraken. Now, head over to your Kraken account. Log in, go to the Funding section, and select Withdraw. Choose XDC as the currency. Paste in your MetaMask wallet address, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and make sure to double-check for any typos. Crypto addresses are unforgiving. Before you confirm, Kraken might ask for additional verification, like 2FA, so have that ready. Once everything looks good, hit confirm, and your withdrawal request will be processed. Transaction times can vary, but it usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your MetaMask wallet to see your XDC tokens arrive. Remember, fees might apply, so withdraw a bit extra if needed. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.